Snow and dangerous road lead for many churches across the Panhandle to cancel their weekend services. Fox 14's Princess Bryant brings us more on those church closings. Princess?
Jack, the winter storm is not over yet, leading 4 churches to cancel service. We have a list of those closings that you could get from scanning the QR code here on your screen. A few of the churches that have closed so far include Amarillo Catholic Diocese, Second Baptist Church, and Amarillo United Methodist Church. Diocese of Amarillo announced cancellation of Saturday evening and Sunday masses and asked for families to gather at home and read the Sunday Gospel and then pray the rosary. The Loft Church also canceled their in-person service but will provide online service at 10 a.m. While a handful of churches have closed, there will be some in-person services for those wishing to attend. Hillside Christian Church and First Baptist are just 2 of the churches that still plan on having in-person service. For those wanting to watch service at home, we have a few options you can watch right here. At 7:30 a.m., Accelerate Church will bring sermons right here on Fox 14. It will show again on our sister station, KMR Local 4, at 8:30 a.m. Second Baptist Church has announced they're canceling the 9:30 a.m. Sunday life groups and 10:45 worship service, but you can watch it at 8 a.m. on our sister station, KMR Local 4. In studio, Princess Bryant, Fox 14 News. Jack?
Thank you, and we continue to update closures as they come in over on our website, myhighplains.com. The winter weather